If you're watching this, make sure you follow my boy, share all the stuff, subscribe, share it with your people, man. He's the voice of the streets, voice of the community, voice of business, voice of black culture, man. Make sure y'all listen to your boy.
Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We are hit the first stop out here in Bellmead, Tennessee. We doing this Jeep Wrangler Rubicon edition of, we got a detail the interior. We already knocked off this side of the car, you know what I mean? If you look what the carpet and the seat look like compared to what the carpet look like over here in the carpet. See, we also detailed the doors, things like that. She got to be gone literally in about an hour and a half, so we're trying to hurry up and working fast. We usually don't like working fast because sometimes when you work fast, you don't do your job sufficiently enough. But we're getting it cracking. We already got all this knocked down. Only thing we haven't did is wipe off that monitor, but we got everything else done. I'm going to continue doing the rest of this car. But like I said, I already got everything out the mat, vacuum, all purpose, things like that. But like I said, I'm getting here and get the job done, man. You know, like I said, we're trying to hurry up, making sure she be gone. She said she got to be gone by 11:15. It's probably about 9:50 right now. So, you know what I mean? Just trying to make sure that we get her out of here on time, because the first thing is need a basic clean, but if you look at the interior of the car, we definitely need more than a basic clean. So we're gonna make sure we get in here and do our job properly and do what we gotta do. But like I said, tomorrow we got a new episode of a Look Over Show Entrepreneur dropping. I'm so happy to be able to get back out there and interview my entrepreneurs. But I'm gonna continue doing this interior, man, so I can get it done to fix. I can't hold this camera and vacuum the interior of this car. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, y'all. And like always, man, y'all do what y'all gotta do. And we're gonna catch y'all at the next one, man. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do. Yeah, the car's still wet. I only got a few minutes to knock it out, get it dry before she has to leave. So I want to go ahead and get this shot before she pull up. I mean, she come out and she gotta go. But you can see it right here. Interior, the car came out fine. We made sure we did everything correctly. Make sure we wiped down the seats. Remember how dirty it was over there. So we did the job correctly, man. We're finna go ahead and dry it off, things like that, and head to the next stop. Next stop probably about 10-15 minutes from here, man. But you see it, man. This Jeep Rubicon Wrangler came out well. And like always, man, I'm gonna do what I gotta do, so do what you gotta do. Or you do what you gotta do, so I can do what I gotta do, man. Hit that subscribe button. And if you want to, I'm not gonna force you, and I'm gonna catch you at the next one. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done made it to the second stop out here, man. We about to do this Audi. We're gonna go ahead and give it an interior detail. We already took the mats out. We're gonna make sure we shampoo the mats up real good, get them nice and clean. Right now, like I said, we're gonna work on the interior first. You always know what I say. We're gonna wipe down the doors. Make sure we clean these doors thoroughly. Gonna make sure we clean the carpet, clean the seats. Always make sure you let the seats down, move the seats, because sometimes the seats slide, things like that. So you can make sure you get under the seats all the way correctly. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and work on the interior. Also on the back, make sure we hit back here, vacuum real good. Get on these side walls, hit on the back of those chairs, things like that. Wipe down this plastic. Door, seats. Like I said, it's typical to clean it. And you can see once again we have makeup on here. So we definitely gonna make sure we get the makeup up. Make sure that we wipe real good in these corners, cracks, crevices, things like that. First customer said the car looks amazing. She was very happy that it looked brand new. So I'm kind of, I feel good that the new customer is very satisfied with my service. And y'all know I take so much pride in the work I do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I hope you take a pride in whatever you doing in life, man. Like I say, no matter what you're doing with your hands, take pride in it, man, because God blessed you to be able to do what you need to do with your hands. But on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and start. Like I said, we're gonna shampoo, clean the seats, the whole 9 yards, man. We're gonna knock it out, get it back shining, looking good, wheels clean, the whole 9 yards. But on that note, if you're new to the channel, you already know what I'm gonna say, man. Hit that subscribe button, leave a like, share, comment, man. Go ahead and leave a comment. Even if you just leave a wave, man. You know, I'll definitely say something back to you. Ask me if you need some questions about cleaning the car, ask me. I'm willing to tell you, man. But on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done finished this second car today, which is this Audi. I didn't even tell y'all what this is. I think this is an Audi Q8. This is an Audi Q7 3.T, but we got the whole car done in and out. You look at the wheels, they got that glow. Remember they was dirty. We got the whole interior of the car, nice and detailed. Smells great in here. We got the seats looking good. We made sure we cleaned the seats, leather condition them good. Make sure we clean the doors thoroughly, things like that. But we done. Next stop probably about 10 minutes from here, but I'm gonna grab lunch and I'm kinda hungry. So I'm gonna let her know we done so we can go ahead and get paid. And, I'm gonna go ahead and head to the next stop. So on that note, man, like I always, do what you gotta do and I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Or you do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do. I hope you staying motivated, man. I know the summer's approaching. It's gonna be a hot one. Hope you got your hot girl summer ready, your passport boy ready, whatever you're gonna be doing this summer, just turn up, man. Live your best life, man, because you only die once, man. You live every day. But let's go ahead and get it, and I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We made it to this third stop of the day. Yeah, third car of the day. Man, first two cars was dirty, man. So it's taking me a little bit more time than what it usually do. And then when it's this hot, it's hard to work fast, man. So just taking my time. The interior of the car not that bad. So we're gonna work on the exterior first because it's really not gonna take that much to really get in the interior and knock out the interior. But the exterior, you know, being have to wash it, dry it, the whole 9 yards. But we about to go ahead and get it cracked. We also got one more car here to do. So we're gonna knock out that car, then we done for the day. But we're gonna knock out this Ford Bronco Outer Banks. Someone called Outer Banks Edition. So what, we just seen the Badlands Edition, the Outer Banks Edition, and a few other editions, I don't know. But, like always, y'all already know the script. I ain't even say it, man. So, detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We got this Ford Bronco finally done, in and out. We made sure we cleaned the car correctly. You know, sometimes you can't do things incorrectly, just go with the motions. But try not to go with the motions. We try to do our job sufficiently, but we done. We still got one more here, so I'm about to go ahead and park this car. Let her know we done so we can get paid. You see the car right here, looks good. Beautiful color. I know that thing probably looks serious with the top off. Some nice wheels. Don't look like the cheap wheels that was on that other Bronco I did the other day. But I'm gonna go ahead and park it, y'all. Keep going. You know what I mean? It's a beautiful day. Try to take advantage of this weather. Definitely need to go vlog soon. You already know how that go, man. I'm itching. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute.
Watching this, make sure you follow my boy, share all the stuff, subscribe, share it with your people, man. He's the voice of the streets, voice of the community, voice of business, voice of black culture, man. Make sure y'all listen to your boy.